Umphathiswa wezempilo eGauteng uthi phansi amaphaphu kuzakhamuzi zaseThembisa ezisebenzisa lesibhedlela njengoba bekwazile ukuphephisa iziguli ebezilaliswe emagumbini oqubuke umlilo kuwo.
It is therefore important that we begin this update by expressing our gratitude to everyone who played a role in ensuring that the situation is contained and that despite the seriousness of the incident, no lives were lost, no injuries were reported.
Ukusebenza kwesibhedlela kuqhubeka ngendlela ejwayelekile namuhla.
So other wards of the hospital are working, and there is that notion that says some of the wards are not working. The hospital is open, the hospital is working, all the patients that are inside the hospital are being treated by the doctors.
Imbangela yomlilo ayikaziwa njengoba kuqhubeka uphenyo.
There are several investigations that are underway by various institutions as required by the law and the response mandate. And I'm sure you can see that there are still people that are inside that are doing that work.
Iziphathimandla zezempilo zithe zokuphepha nezinsiza zokubhula umlilo besebenza ngendlela kulesi sibhedlela njengoba bekwazile ukucima lo mlilo ngesikhathi.